chance.
It's too bad. Okasa, make you.
Now, Monday, now, again. And I am voice over.
What's next, Massa?
Actually,
Charlie, what is that? This is better.
Company. Ebanesena Ukwa Juncio. One take permission from the class prefect.
Where was that, Professor? My bad Jones or the mamma got your day, Jones or the mamma, boom, cry, mamma, I'm saying Jones or the mamma, Mamma Cotton. The way they are not my David Diamond got that. I brought Jones or the mamma, made him up for.
Apostle, we have
Principal, wow.
Yes, I do. Uncle Oma.
Send a crown walk and worry the chapter.
Ma wunkia. Show Bovunia. Eh?
Chai.
Man of the moment. Azuma Nelson.
Chai.
Ali. Bon Bovu. Oklo. Na. When are we head of war, eh? Class prefect at Trowding. What Trowding? Noise makers number 1. What did I do into Aladdin pieces?
Chai.
Everybody say.
Yes, so my company and concerns on them. I'm going to tell you. To do what I'm going to say. Actually, me dear man, quite Trump, 1 for 1 number of the crabs. Depending upon someone, and this also, when I tell me you'll be. And to know one night they show on me, and the one I saw in the crab in a tree. And I mean, I everybody say.
Amankwa. Who's the Uti Bakupe? I like 20 pieces of these papers on my hands. Uti Bakupe, everybody say, how?
Yes, I a gun on my moon, inside. Or no, inside do. And the waiting a fun, waiting a fun, yet, to be a show kind of 20. Then I do, I do.
Akwena oma o show in kia, eh? The free blown, yeah, huh?
Chai.
Ah! I'm a betoman yo. Mufriako. Ah, inke. Magu me the cuckoo, I say. The cuckoo. And that come sorry, I'm sorry. Prefect. How come you are like this?
Me too much me to be a me to get time in
Jesus is Lord.
There's no difference between you and the others. Go.
The entire what's now going on is as a mercy. Near Geneva, the upper height. A near Melbourne. Sukumu has a DS Gracia. And say, I'm here. Says, Sika, to the yard, a bind Tom Mays and family brown. And yes, Sika, to one. And penny for that now, so a Unim se say manti bi abusumi bi abama yesikasi emfa hwehwe sebrem de obe carpenter na utomi akakra mu ube yesu be ka da bi o pile guo sikaru meduru yansa na hye
Just about you to a musumi bia
atuntum fo kwa bi mu pe waso
Donc, je vais demander quelque chose. Comment on va lui donner? Merci. I will say, students, they are in
I check. You want to get it. Next time, I'm going to buy a car. Not buy more. Say 20%. Continue.
20.
Now buy 20 million. What is about 10 million?
10 minutes.
Who's about? Oh, yes, interest.
Students,
It's a
1,000
a month. Yes.
Hey! I know, it's not part of the teachers for no. Teachers for no to know you. Now, no, you have for them on a mobile.
And you have for them.
na teacher na wo sa uwo bi na ntima de anegene efu wa mo wansa aha ni aha
Who's principal?
This is very.
when can de tie ntumenye
Hey, I said, my son, no. No one say, you remember breaking nothing, teachers for him. My pressure, you put it in the tree and you tell them, who did get the pressure when you are bed now? So, upon Simon, some of maybe and lunch.
Hey! When you have to lunch?
I had a candy power of Jimmy Coffee.
Mr. Principal! The GD pass a you if we were not dreaming. It is a
unim se school ni yemi enu ya dia na wo support ni de munye ni mo kan ba mo ye ni ma ko ti
on the morning tea won ye mo bi mo ye bi mu e na mo so mo na mo apun mo mo ko ni sa yo ma ni bla ya be
si ya beti ya ho sa tu atendom ya be ko mo so ako ka tu ndo so mo ndo ska na ma ye ni ase be ti ya de ya di me ya kwa de be ne se ya baka si ensua de nti wo ba na se gwa brum o ba ba na ra chele wa to mo si ya bai si an kwa na wo ndo no no dis ka na wa ti ya be ni ka principal office wa ko sise bibia o ba na se de na ko so ma mo nche principal ane na poundful ye baya enya bono ye kra de empie ni hawo ye wo class insua de brela fo ye jibu ye trimasi we resource we drumming and dancing am say na adisua na ye de say me hwe ye hwe o maka na wo nsua de yes eh mo kra na nka mo sua ne asua be die na esi wo mo koka handsome principal na dia muyeni na say yete ya pa ya ma yes gracia pension pay and ko pension so tia ya ka na say sikano mo agina mo dwom say ya
Hey! Nto jo. Ade kra ni. Eh? Are you speaking your mind or the mind of the other people?
I'm so Martinez Kano.
sana mutie na tese nyasi yete ya ni ebe ka kire manto mo sisi manto yo sika mo mo nsuani mo sisi de duro
I'm to my uncle for Mazam, what's still now Muguzuza.
I'm the debut.
Almost say of the crown, pepper, a 7 crab, yes, sure, credit to reason. Continue so I bind the band. So almost I
bind the more articulate among
oh, no, Mamma, dear, can't
and what Jane in Chilina. Anyone plan for teacher anyway.
You should allow me to discipline them. Okay? Allow me to discipline them. No, listen. Don't waste your energy on things like this. You should understand me by now. And say, what part you say? Your fellow students are saying they will not learn.
Sebio, se mum boa dia. What can I say?
Anya ye fie.
Anya wan fie.
Se umboa de anya ye fie.
Opa. You see? People like this. No hope. Now money baby. You will lead us to the classroom. Yeah. And then we be us.
I
will speak your mind or you are telling me their mind. So they can tell me to my face. Someone's here. Martin. Good students. Let's go.
Apostle, we hear of this.
From you, go. Inga. Okay. Tell me your problems.
Mr. Principal, I decided my jacket. My lunch is just you.
Mr. Principal, Yanya TSA, a pine, SNU ska, se teacher my, but the scan bar. Now who ya confie now we bush ya for ebodi onene there scared there now what teachers no in there so oya na wanya say manaka say
talking to the principal like that. Only principal like just one of these.
just see me shut up
One of these.
say wait freedom of speech
Silence.
Bad Fury.
If I hear every student talk, Upa Kasa.
Yes.
say any blue
Everybody will hear.
almost a boom
Yeah, we are planning lunch.
Now, shut up. So, now me fi say, mo wo nyansa. But it is obvious that we are good for nothing students.
Jesus is Lord.
You don't think, right? Shut! If I'm in Kasasa. You, if I don't give you 1,000, you will not be in the class.
you see car you must not see me now yeah a banana okay you pay sika
Yes.
Listen, what do you do for the government?
you see a dem government
Can you hear that? You are learning for the government. You see, people like this, no hope. You know, at first I was thinking it was Amankwa, Gifty and company. Now, so more said, it is now obvious that they are actually helping you guys. Think.
Useful.
principal. I don't know what I'm saying.
Samusi, you will not learn.
No, Mr. Principal.
Amaba, 50 and company. I have a reward for you guys. The rest of you, meet me in my office for your suspension.
Mr. Principal.
Trump #1. Yeah, the series from our swap bro. Our TV channel, the YouTube. Focus can decoder so I remember watching YouTube within the same yes, we are subscribe and also series we are there by the inside.
If you remember be a baba straight no.
The first series the same.
Seriously. Once I want a book the
The principal.
The principals.